Welcome to my 1Password review. This password manager is perfect for individuals, families, and businesses seeking online security. Check the description for links to 1Password and related resources. 1Password excels with its simple design, robust security, and seamless cross-platform functionality. It simplifies storing and managing passwords, sensitive documents, and notes, all protected by top-tier encryption. Whether you're a single user, managing family accounts, or securing a business team, 1Password has a solution. Its intuitive vault organizes passwords, generates strong credentials, and even stores credit cards and IDs. The Watchtower feature identifies weak, reused, or compromised passwords, monitors for breaches, and prompts action. 1Password syncs effortlessly across Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and browser extensions like Chrome, Safari, and Edge. Families can share credentials securely with shared vaults while maintaining personal privacy. Businesses benefit from admin controls, activity logs, and integrations with Slack and Zoom for streamlined password management. Setup is easy, and onboarding new team members is quick. 1Password uses end-to-end encryption, a master password, and a unique secret key, ensuring even 1Password can't access your data. Two-factor authentication adds another layer of security. If you're serious about online security, 1Password offers the perfect blend of usability and robust features. It's more than a password manager, it's a tool for managing your digital identity securely and conveniently. Try it out, links are in the description, and take control of your online security today.